I bought 2 keychain batons for self-defense. It is 12-inch long when it expands. I'm thinking to use them convert to a nunchucks. But I need something in the center can spin or swivel. The keychain ring here can only unscrew the baton. Oh, it is magnetic. That's how it works. When it retreats, the magnet will hold the center 2 pieces. I can't have this key ring here. How can I connect these 2 batons together? This is my first try. Just use the rope to connect both together. It looks like a nunchucks now. But after I tried it out, the rope got cut off by the edge of the hole. I tried to use the file to smooth out the edge. It is too hard. I don't think it will work. Back to square one. Then I found some D-rings in the badge holder when I attend conventional show. It can swivel. How can I do it? No, I can't hook it. It is too small. The D-ring is good size, but I cannot open it. Then I searched in Amazon. I found this. I bought it, even it's kind of expensive. Of course, the little screwdriver is included. The D-ring can open and close by that little screw. It works perfectly in this project. Now I have a swivel center. Looks pretty good. Later on, I bought another 2 keychain batons. They already have swivel bearing in the middle. This time I took off the key rings right away. Time to connect them together. I bought some chain from Walmart. Also some swivel hooks and D-rings. I made my first one with this silver chain, but in this video I used this golden one as a sample because I forgot to shoot a video when I used the chrome chain to test out. You can even use 3 pieces of chain, make it stronger, or any length, depends the size of your hand. I even make one with the rope. Easy to connect them too. I'm going to use this silver nunchuck to test it out. Who threw things at me? Was that you? Alright, try me then. Give me more. Boy, you don't stop, huh? That's it? What did you use to throw at me anyway? Bullet? Seriously? You were shooting at me. Hey you, don't run away. Fine. You just made my date. Where is your gun? Don't move. Hands up. Alright, be that way then. See you later, squirrel. I'm finished with you. Wait, there's more. When I swing the nunchucks, it will still automatic unscrew the nunchucks. I have to fix that. Same thing happened on the black one. Shit. The small screw dropped off. Where's my little screw? This part just too weak. The original screws just too short. Luckily, I found the two longer screws that match the female on the baton. I hope that can fix the problem. But I don't recommend you buy this kind of baton if you want to convert them to nunchucks. Well, a little stronger. Just put back my chain. Okay, this one fixed. For this one, I just tape it by using the electric tape. I picked the green tape to match my green rope. But if I change to a silver chain to connect the baton, I might have to change to a white tape. But this is easy fix. Done. These are my final keychain baton. Convert to nunchucks. Thank you for watching.